Not sure if you seen my first video or not. My first one was I put welding rod to each finger and held them like that without dropping them. So what I'm going to try to do now, I'm going to try to do two without dropping them. I hope. It's been a while since I've done it, so we're going to give it a try. So here's two. There's two. There's two. There's two. There's two. You got to make them faces when you do it too. More ugly faces. Okay. Got two on the thumb. Two on the other finger. Yeah. This group was happy together. You gotta make them ugly faces. When you do it.
This group with lead singer Shirley Manson was only happy when it rained. This was Jeopardy. He was captured by the British
there we go.
on the 23rd, 1776, and executed the next day without a trial. But with one
Got two welding rods on each finger. So anyway, give it a try. Good luck. It's 10 welding rods. See y'all later. My name is JC.